Hello everyone. Through this video, we will try to understand the topic sign convention of chapter number 10. Sign convention, first we will be understanding for mirrors. Okay. So there are sign conventions for mirrors, and these sign conventions, children, will be helping you to do the numericals on mirrors. Okay. So the sign convention, there are certain, you can say, points which you have to remember. Like the first point over here is all the distances we will be measuring from pole. Pole will be behaving as origin to measure all the distances. Whether you talk about object distance, whether you talk about image distance, so all the distances you will be measuring from pole. So pole will be acting as a origin. Okay. Now any distance which you will be measuring towards your left hand side, means to measure any distance when you are moving against the direction of incident ray. Your direction of incident ray is like this. Now suppose this is your object and you have to measure its distance from pole. So for measuring this distance, you have to come like this from pole. From pole, you will be coming like this against the direction of incident ray. Against the direction of incident ray, you are coming. So all the distances which you are measuring against the direction of incident ray, they will be always negative. They will be always negative. Like suppose this is your image, suppose. So to get the distance of this image, you have to come like this way. You are coming against. So this will also be negative. Object distance is always denoted by symbol U. Image distance is denoted by symbol V. So the first point over here is all the distance will be measured from pole. All the distances will be measured from pole. Will be measured from pole. Second point is any distance which you are coming against incident ray will be negative. Third point is any distance which you are going in favor of incident ray. Suppose here your virtual and erect image forms. Sixth case. So getting this image distance, you have to go in this way. Your direction and incident direction, both are same. So that will be positive. Okay, that will be positive. So all the distances will be measuring from pole. If to measure any distance, we are going against incident ray like this, you are going from pole towards your left side, LHS side, it will be negative. For measuring any distance on the right hand side, suppose your image is here, virtual image, and to measure its distance, you are going in this way. So you are moving along your right hand side, so this will be positive. Distances towards right is positive. Distances towards left is negative. Height, any height above the principal axis, this is your principal axis, this is your principal axis. Any distance above, any height above, it will be positive. Any height below, downward, it will be negative. Okay, so these are your sign conventions which you have to remember nicely, because without these sign conventions, you will not be able to do numericals on mirrors. If I put all these sign conventions in this tabular form, so you will find here for concave mirror, you will find here image object distance U, for both it is negative. Concave and convex both negative. Why? Because your object lies always. If you talk about your concave mirror, this is your concave. This is your principal, object is lying here. Which side it is? LHS. If this is your convex mirror, If this is your convex mirror and if you are talking about your object AB, it is which side? LHS. So both are lying on LHS. So to measure its distance, you have to go towards left. So that is why its sign over here is negative. Okay. Coming on to image distance, V, image distance. Image distance will be your depending on real and virtual. Real forms always on which side? Left hand side, and virtual forms on which side? Right hand side. So right hand is positive and left hand is negative. Okay. Then focus. Focus of this mirror, concave. If I talk about concave, this is your concave. Concave focus lies here. On which side? Left hand side. Convex focus lies here. On which side? Right hand side. So focus for concave is focal length is negative and for convex it is positive. As focal length is negative, so radius of curvature is also negative because radius of curvature is double of focal length, 2f. Similarly for convex it is positive because f is positive. Height of the image or height of the object is above principal axis in both, so it is positive. It is above. You can see here in this diagram. It is above the principal axis. It is above the principal axis, so it is positive. Height of image. Real images are always forming below principal axis, so it is negative. Virtual images are always forming above principal axis, so it is positive for both. So this table will be helping you to understand sign convention for mirrors. After this, next comes there is mirror formula. This is your mirror formula, a formula which relates object distance, image distance, and focal length is called mirror formula. Formula which relates object distance, image distance, and focal length is called mirror formula. This is your mirror formula. Then coming on magnification, distance of image to distance of object ratio is called magnification. Minus V by U, H dash by H. Height of image upon height of object is minus V by U. So this is the magnification. Okay. It is unitless. It is not having any unit. Why? Because it's a ratio of two things. Clear? Thank you, children.